Wedding day. Wedding day. Marry. Marry. Burst open. Burst open. Sheriff. Sheriff. Shout. Shout. Enemy. Enemy. King. King. Prince. Prince. No longer. No longer. Own. Own. Castle. Castle. Land. Land. Arrest. Arrest. Escape. Escape. Ride away. Ride away. Forest. Forest. Get off. Get off. Recognize. Recognize. Explain. Explain. Outlaw. Outlaw. Join. Join. Gather. Gather. Fire. Fire. Present with. Present with. Cheer. Cheer. Loudly. Loudly. Title. Title. Order. Order. Guard. Guard.
Robin Hood is a character from an English legend. He lived in Sherwood Forest with the merry men. He was loyal to the real king and a brilliant archer.
Robin Hood is a famous character from an English legend. There are many different stories about him, but no one knows if he is real or not. In the stories, Robin lives in Sherwood Forest near the city of Nottingham. He becomes the leader of a group called the Merry Men. They fight against the king's brother, Prince John, and the evil Sheriff of Nottingham, while the king is away at war. They steal money from the rich and give it to the poor. Robin Hood is a hero to the people. He is clever, honest, and loyal to the real king. He is also a brilliant archer.
Lord of the Greenwood. One summer morning, many years ago, Robert, Earl of Huntingdon, and Marion were in a church. It was their wedding day. Just as they were about to be married, the door burst open. It was the Sheriff of Nottingham. "Stop the wedding," shouted the Sheriff. "You are an enemy of the king." "Me? King Richard's enemy? Never," answered Robert. The Sheriff said that his friend, Prince John, was the new king, while King Richard was away. He told Robert that he no longer owned his castle, his land, or his title, and ordered the guards to arrest him. But Robert was too fast. He escaped the guards and rode away on a horse into the forest. Soon after, a group of men stopped him. "Get off the horse and give us your money," one of them said. Another man in the group, Will Scarlett, recognised Robert and told the others to stop. He explained that they were all outlaws who lived in the forest and that the Sheriff of Nottingham was their enemy. "From today, I am an outlaw too," said Robert. "Guy of Gisborne has got my title and my castle." "You can join us," one of the men suggested. "Be our leader against Gisborne and the sheriff." That evening, as the men gathered around the fire, Will Scarlett presented Robert with a bow and arrow and a green hood to wear. "Thank you," said Robert. "Sherwood Forest is my castle now, and my name is Robin Hood." The men all cheered loudly. "Robin Hood, Lord of the Greenwood."
Robert and Marion were in a church about to get married. The Sheriff of Nottingham came in and stopped the wedding. He told his men to arrest Robert, but Robert was too quick and he escaped on a horse. He was in the forest when a group of men stopped him. They asked him to be their leader when he said that he was an outlaw too. Will Scarlett then gave him a bow and arrow. Robert changed his name and became Robin Hood.
Robin Hood is loyal to King Richard, but the Sheriff of Nottingham is loyal to Prince John. Robin Hood is honest, but the Sheriff of Nottingham is evil. Robin Hood lives in Sherwood Forest, but the Sheriff of Nottingham lives in Nottingham Castle.
I think Robin Hood manages to fight against the Sheriff of Nottingham and win. He then marries Marion.
No, I think King Richard comes back and he helps Robin. He puts the Sheriff of Nottingham in jail